Okay, to perform the hard reset of your OPPO Enco 3.2, first of all, you have to unpair these earbuds from any connected devices. So here I am with my phone. It's only connected to my phone. I have to click on this information icon. I have to tap to disconnect, and then I have to click to unpair. And now I have to switch off the Bluetooth on my phone. Now I have to be also sure that I charge them above the 30%. The earbuds and the case. You can charge them by this port, and now you will have to close the case, open it, and then click and hold this button and hold it for at least 10 seconds. So keep holding. Now it will start blinking white. It means that right now they are in the pairing mode. And after the 10 seconds we have to release this button. So just keep waiting for it. Okay, there's over the 10 seconds. So now you can simply close this case. And now if you want to pair these earbuds with any device one more time, you will have to open this case and simply turn on the Bluetooth. If the earbuds are not detected and not detected on the available devices list, you will have to click and hold the side button one more time to enter for the pairing mode. After 2 seconds of the holding, you can release the button, and now we can find your OPPO earbuds on the list. So that's how you can fix some common issue with your earbuds. That's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.